is our bathroom. Okay, so there's toiletries naman, and this is the shower room. Enough na. There. So, wala din magkano siya. Fit ko muna para makita. It's nice fit, right? Wala no. Guess how much? It's nice. For its price. 50 lang. 50 pesos. Hala, I'm gonna look for more. This is 40 pesos, pero hindi siya kasya sa sayang. So nice. This is nice din. 40.
Oh, did it get it?
Dami ko nang nabili, guys. Kaya nandito kami. Medyo kami palengke, pero daming good finds. Yan, tiket natin. Salmon with mashed potatoes. Then for garlics. And then I got a picture of favorite. Yeah, sigab sa strawberry shake. How's your food, love?
The pork's really tender.
Very tender.
Very, very tender.
Salmon. Salmon. With the tissue. Good morning. Tapos ko lang magpalengke. I bought some broccoli and cauliflower and some lemons. Wala akong mahanap ng strawberry. So, ayun lang. We're heading to our breakfast. It's Cafe by the Ruins. It's near na. We're at Cafe by the Ruins. Ayan. Here's our view. Breakfast time! I got longanisa. It comes with fruits and coffee. Good. Rock. Checking out. We're going down.